Want to buy a high-level gaming account but worried about scams? In this video, I'll show you how to buy gaming accounts safely, avoiding fraud and getting the best deals. Let's jump in! Choose a trusted marketplace. First, always use reputable marketplaces like 2Guyanese$G, P2P. These sites have buyer protection, verified sellers, and secure payment methods. Warning: never buy from random Discord, Facebook, or Instagram sellers. Scams are everywhere. Check seller ratings reviews. Look for sellers with 95% plus positive feedback. Read recent reviews. Watch out for complaints about scams or fake accounts. Avoid new sellers with no history. Verify account details before buying. Before purchasing, confirm all details with the seller. Level, rank, skins, characters, linked emails, recovery options, screenshots or video proof. Red flag: if the seller refuses to provide proof, it's likely a scam. Use secure payment methods. Always pay through the marketplace's secure system, like G2G escrow. Avoid direct PayPal, Venmo, crypto payments, gift card trades, bank transfers, no buyer protection. Go and check trusted marketplace official website, link comment.